Uncle Sok?
Pick up tilogan. Na red ko na.
Who's your
Say
Uncle
Uncle
Sok?
Sok.
Awa
Who's your Uncle Sok?
How about
itata
What's my
daytay kuko daytay kodjay
Michael.
ka.
Ma?
Idi na panda inted da dayto.
Michael.
How about Grandma's name?
No, idiot.
What's Hayden's name?
Oh.
Hayden.
Oh.
Hayden.
What's your mom's name?
I don't know.
You don't know your
I
mom?
want Papa's name.
Yeah, what's your
No,
papa's
your mommy. What's
Kasalso din yun ang nagal ni Papa na.
What's Papa's name?
Oh, you don't remember no more?
What's Papa's name?
You tell.
name? Joey.
No, your grandpa.
Oh,
Manuel.
No.
No, what?
what's your brother's name?
With Hayden.
Mhm. And your grandpa? I already told. Come on. What's the name of your grandpa?
I don't know.
You don't know. You know last night.
He
Manuel.
Are you gonna sleep over, Joshua?
Manuel.
Oh, you like your grandpa Bill?
Your grandpa Bill?
No, Ben.
Bill.
Ben.
That's Ben.
Okay, you go